I feel like I'm racing my kids right now. I just handed them these watercolor sheets with some paintbrushes and water. My littlest two are using these because otherwise they dump out the water. And I gotta get lunch ready really fast. We're doing like a spooky Halloween lunch again today. It's like Halloween party round 2. There's some plates. There's water in your paintbrush, honey. I have 9 kids here today. And I prepped most of this stuff ahead. First, everyone's getting a little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. It's looking so good, guys. These are cheese sticks that are supposed to look like fingers. I like cut little slits in them and then added a little pepperoni on top. I attached it with cream cheese. And then monsters, ghosts, I don't know, but I made these out of pickles. And I attached the eyeball with cream cheese. Pickles count as a vegetable for my food program because they're a cucumber. I don't give the kids pickles often. We'll see if they like them. Do you guys like pickles?
Yeah, I do. No. I don't like pickles.
You don't like them? Okay. Sounds like half and half. We'll see. Lastly, I'm making them a little spider sandwich. Do I go potty? Okay. They're sandwiches. I'm gonna make them into spiders. Do you guys know how many legs spiders have? 8. They have 8 legs.
I want to eat the pretzels.
Yeah, you can eat the pretzels. Are you? Alright, that's what they look like. 8 more to go. But maybe I'll actually get this done before they're done painting. So many times when I give them an activity while I'm making lunch, they're done with it so fast.
I'm done painting.
You're done painting. There it is. Should I turn a story on the Yodo? I have lunch almost ready, so I'm not getting out anything else. Maybe you could paint a little bit more. I'm going to put on Peaceful Like a Panda. I feel like this is a good day for it. Like, it's very soothing, and it kind of tells them some calming mechanisms to do.
Caregivers and teachers doing the incredibly important work.
I could have made these myself, but this was easy. If you're done, then you can just listen to the story for a minute, okay? Jessica's almost got lunch ready. You can take a deep breath.
Send out your rays of sunshine.
Rays of sunshine.
Big breath in. Rays of sunshine. Send them out in front of you and out behind you. Send them out to the left and out to the right.
All right, here is our spooky Halloween lunches for today.
Put your hands on your head.
And this is why some kids just aren't ready for crafts. Overall, they did great on this lunch. The pickles didn't go over super great, but some kids liked them.